restoring the M50 with whatever resources I have, as it is a lockdown situation, so I don't have any mechanic who can work for me. What I'm trying to do is to actually note down the nuts and bolts that need a special treatment. In short, I will be taking it to the lathe, and here is the filter box. It has three components. This is some holder which holds the sponge. This is the sponge air filter, and this is the air filter box. This air filter box sits here and pulls the air from this hole and feeds it to the carburetor. This one is the tank which sits here like this, and this plate sits here. I need to weld this missing part of the plate, and also need to clean this tank. Yeah, finally it's out. I need to open this petrol cock and see what's inside the tank. The tank is obviously rusted. I need to check whether it has some cracks or any leakages inside the tank. Well, that's it for today. Tomorrow I will try to refill the tires, refill the air in the tires, and whatever the puncture or maybe a tube change is required, that will be done. And I will now fix the tires to the axle. Yeah, that's it for today. Keep watching. There's also a good news that the tank is not leaking from anywhere. This is how the tank looks right now after cleaning from inside and outside. This is the original color of the tank. I guess the model is from 1985. I will try polishing this paint and wait for the results.